1970 Plymouth Barracuda in limelight green, dressed up as a 440 Cuda with a fresh rebuilt 400 in it. It's putting out 450 horse, about 480 foot-pounds of torque. This thing is an absolute monster going down the road. Paint is like new, brand new stripes on it, nice clean interior. Very high performance vehicle. As you can see, the body is very, very straight going down the sides, all over the flat black markings, you know, the bright work, all that stuff. Extremely nice car. You can see more pictures and information at uniqueclassiccars.com, or you can call us at 507-386-1726 for more information. Once again, it's a 1970 Plymouth Barracuda at uniqueclassiccars.com.